You alright, Tom? You having an apple?
That's mine.
That's because we don't feed you anything else, do we?
Yeah.
No. He found it on the ground outside, did he, Eve?
Yeah.
Where did he find it? On the table, because who ate an apple and just had one bite and left it there?
I did.
You did. What do you think, Phil? And to say? And to say?
I don't think so.
Well, why don't you just try saying hello?
Hello, Nathan. I'm Rhiannon.
Tell them who you are because they think your name is Tommy.
My name is Billy.
And you're 26 years old?
I am 7 years old.
And you go to university?
And I go to Our Lady's Boys School.
Okay, and you like playing football?
And then I do karate.
And else to say?
No.
Emma had to say?
Hello.
Trudy had to say?
No, go away with the camera.
Go on, let us say Trudy, go on. Go on. This is what Trudy looks like all the time, isn't it, lads?
No.
She never gets dressed, she stays in her dressing gown all the time, doesn't she?
No. Kick her in the butt! Kick her in the butt! Don't do that.
You alright, Sarah?
Sleepy head.
No.
Kick her in the butt!
That's normally what Trudy looks like.
Kick her in the butt!
Go away.